Kamusta yo fam, I'm Yowawerts, and in this video, I'll be showing you how to make your own Among Us game from cardboard. Before that though, I would like to give a massive shout out to the following people for sharing their DIYs. If you want your craft that are from my uploads to be shown in the future videos, just send me a picture of it on Instagram at IMPOSTORS. Okay, so for this Among Us cardboard game, you will need the free template, cardboard of course, adhesives, cutting tools, skewers or barbecue sticks, paint for designing, and a whole lot of patience. The first thing I did were the Crewmates. I cut out these adorable characters and glued them on a thin yet sturdy piece of cardboard. You can use a normal corrugated cardboard for this, but it'll be a challenge to cut them out. To make everything look neat, I painted the back and as well as the sides of the pieces. I also made these pieces from folder and pasted them onto the vent doors like so. For the body of this Among Us game, I cut out this cardboard piece. The lines you see indicate where the base and the other pieces will be placed, so please make sure that your measurements are alike mine. I cut out strips of cardboard with the following sizes and placed them below these lines. Make another similar piece for the left wall. Observe that the bottom cardboard strip for the second piece is not interrupted like the first one. For the base, cut out a cardboard piece with this size. Please note that the holes are spaced 2 inches from one another. Once that's done, we can now stick the base and the two walls together like so. barbecue sticks I had were not long enough for this creation, so to solve my problem, I simply glued them together like so with the help of straws. However, I recommend you guys use skewers which are at least 12 inches long instead of sticking 2 barbecue sticks together so that your craft will be more durable. Let's now move on to make the mechanism for this shootout game. Simply cut out the pieces from the template. Take a cardboard strip and gently rip it in half to expose its corrugation. These will act as the teeth for our gears. Don't forget to put super glue onto the gear's teeth so it'll be much more durable. These pieces play a huge role in the mechanism, but we'll get back to these later. I then assembled the crank like so. After that, I made the pieces which the crewmates will be glued onto. To make it neat, I'll be painting the sticks with black. The following pieces will be used to secure the skewer inside the machine. Cut out a strip of paper and take the piece we made earlier to make a tube. Make sure that the stick can freely move inside the tube. Do this for the rest of the pieces. For the second floor, make this cardboard piece. Take the tubes from earlier and glue them into the holes like so. Once the tubes have been glued, stick the second floor into the machine as demonstrated. After that, it's now time to assemble the mechanism together. Insert these pieces to the tubes. You would want to insert the sticks first, like so, and then insert the 2 gears. By the way, I've covered the sides of the G2 pieces to make it smooth. Insert 5 G2 pieces in each stick. To secure the stick, glue the piece we made earlier to its end like so. Don't forget to super glue the gears. Then, arrange the G2 pieces like so. We don't want all the crewmates to simultaneously move up and down, so I position the G2 pieces in random. Repeat the same steps for the other part. After putting all those pieces, your mechanism is now basically done and ready. Before I put all the pieces together, I painted the machine first since doing so will make it much easier and neater compared to putting the crewmates and vendors first, then painting the machine. Once the paint dried, I then glued the crewmates on top of the sticks. Please be careful on gluing these pieces, especially if you're using super glue like me. I happen to have accidentally glued the stick onto the tube, and there's unfortunately no undo button in real life, so now I have 3 stuck pieces which do not move up and down. And that just makes my machine imperfect. I'm so sorry. Moving on, we will need to poke a hole to this part. This is where we will place the Impostor innator, which is basically the shooter for this cardboard game. I use the same mechanism as my Minecraft shooters, so please check that out if you want to know the steps to make this. Lastly, I secure the shooter with this cardboard piece. This will enable us to rotate the shooter and aim at any angle while securing the shooter onto the machine. After that, you're basically done with your DIY Among Us game. If you like this craft, Go ahead and smash the thumbs up, subscribe to this channel for more DIYs, and ring the notification bell so you'll be updated if I upload new videos. Also, if you have any thoughts for this machine, don't hesitate to leave it in the comment section and I'll try my best to respond to your comments. So I think that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you soon!